Alright guys, pretty much we've got a lot of limbs down. We're going to have to do a little bit of chainsawing this morning. All in all, none of the vehicles got limbed last night, which, you know, we live in Granddaddy Oaks, so, you know, you can see all above. We got a lot of oaks going on, so we got a lot of trees down and items and such. The roads we had some limbs down in the road last night, but we got those moved. Just a little. We got Cracker Jacks out there. He was manning the storm with me all night. He was exhausted. He did a good job. We just some you know, some trees down, some items, nothing bearable, but you guys can see up the road, everything looks as such. It's a wonderment. We no real damage, just a lot of debris. We got debris down on the boat. Let's see how bad this is once we get back here. Like I said, good news, we're seeing no vehicle damages this morning. I got a little bit against my barn. My barn roof looks good.
Come on, Jeffy.
No real damages to the boat. So, let's see how this is. Nope. No major problems there. Boat number 2 is good. Lost a little bit of an outbuilding. Nothing much major. What you got up there, Pammy Puddles? What are you seeing?
Nothing really major. Thank goodness.
Yep.
I think we did pretty good.
Yep. For the devastation we've seen, we came out good, and we appreciate everybody's concern. And you know, I know I was bugging everybody last night throwing up posts and videos, but it got so dark that we just had nothing. You know, we couldn't see anything, and I couldn't get anything reported out to y'all, so we just went ahead and stopped and just started taking care. All right, guys. We'll get back at you. Caso, stop video.